Hi friends, how are you? Hope doing good. I'm Sham and Smart from Smart Techies. Today we are the hot topic is Windows 11 upgrade about our PCs. So I'll be happy to giving a little bit information what we have gathered for you and so let's start. It's about Windows 11 upgrade in my PC is possible or not. So let's zoom here. First, very is a basic. The content is given by the Microsoft, which says processor first. Processor is 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. So here it says Microsoft says that processor is a very basic. It's a 1 year. So it was in 2014 laptops having this specification and two cores. Two cores means usually a dual core process is enough. And we are computing with i3, i5 and i7. So that are all with 3 cores and 5 cores. So basic dual core we can go with Windows 11 upgrade. Then next zoom on RAM, which says that it is 4 GB RAM. It is a very basic RAM which every PC have. This is a minimum RAM. But here I want to suggest something that is 8 GB RAM will be best, because 4 GB RAM is consumed by the PC because it has so many apps continuous in background it works. So 4 GB I don't think it will do a fast computing. So upgrading with 8 GB, I prefer with the 8 GB. Go with the 8 GB. That will be the best for the Windows 11. Third, coming to storage, 64 GB or larger storage device. So 64 GB is a very basic. Now desktops, laptops are coming with 500, 1 TB and with 256 SSD. So it is not a challenge, and 64 GB. So we are having 2014, 13 PCs, 15 PCs are with all 320, 250 hard disk, 500. So here we are not facing any challenge, and SSD will be good for the latest, or if you want to upgrade with your PC with the SSD hard disk, definitely it is going to give you a good computing. And then next, coming to system firmware, this is a basic, that is a secure boot capable. This is a just like a BIOS. It's a motherboard programmed language which motherboard understand. So it is also basic. All 13 and from 2013, 15 we are finding this. We can find this. And next, coming to TPM, trusted platform module, and that is also a microchip which is inbuilt in the motherboard and which is also basic, which have every PC is from 10 years model, 7, 8 years, 6 years model that is having is very basic. Next, you can see here graphic card compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0. So here coming is very basic, because 1 GB we have inbuilt with the motherboard, 1 GB we are having with the motherboard, and 1.5 GB is standard in the 14, 16 PCs. We can find 1.5 GB was the standard inbuilt. So here we are not facing any challenge here also. So we can move further. We can see next what is display. Display is high definition 720 pixel display that is greater than 9 inches diagonally, 8 bits per color channel. And about display, it's also a very basic. And now because we are using with more than 1200, 1800 pixels, so it is also not a challenging for us. That is also will support Windows 11. Coming to next is internet connection and Microsoft accounts. That is not a that is a very basic. Now people are using the internet connection, but here I want to say that for the internet connection, in Windows 11 we were in the Windows 7 we were facing difficulties. There were many upgrades coming to every every day, sometime 3-4 days. Then the link files were missing. Then the operating system was getting crashed. We have faced many challenges, but this all bugs was fixed in Windows 11, which is used by the Microsoft. And the upgrades, they have minimized the upgrades with minimize upgrades to minimize the issue also, which we are getting in the blue screens, files missing, which was all around in the world with these issues. So they have came a solution with that with the Windows 11. And finally, it's given Windows 11 5-10 years old PCs can enjoy with the Windows 7 upgrade, but there are something technical issues which may occur during the installation with the bus speeds. So let's see when once it's completely launched in the India and what the feedback we are getting from our customers. I'll be happy to share you, help you in this your technical issues with the Windows 11. So click on the button, subscribe, comment. I'll be happy, and if any on the more topics I want to cover it. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.